this all, as I told you, when we are going to implement, we have to implement the financial accounting part, but we haven't implemented this controlling part. So with this controlling part, we have to implement it. Just close these options. Come here, controlling. In this controlling, under this controlling, come to general controlling, organization, maintain controlling area. Double click on maintain controlling area. So normally, this is the configurations in real time. Controlling consultant will create the controlling area. Why I am creating? Because it will get, the system will not allow to run the transaction data, not allowed to create the master data, because the integration is available. So that is the reason we are going to create it. We are not going to understand what is controlling area in the depth knowledge, but we should understand in the proper means overall overview what is controlling area, why we are creating. That's it. Okay, go to new entries, enter the controlling area. What is the controlling area? You have to enter it. What is your company code? That only you have to enter the controlling area code over here. Just maintain the description is the controlling area. Just enter the company code and controlling area will be the same. Controlling area same as company code. And currency type. Currency type is the 10. 10 is the currency. Automatically this one, this option will be get populated. You have to select this one only. After entering this currency type, automatically currency, chart of accounts, fiscal year variant, all those things will get appear. Just mention the controlling area, company code over here. Fiscal year variant, we should understand what is this actually. Fiscal year variant. So K4, what is K4? Come down, come down. This is the K4. K4 means calendar year. The year will start from the January and with the end period will be the year, December. What is 4 special period? 4 special period means each quarter is having a 3 periods, 3 months, right? 4 into 3 is equal to 12. That is called 4 special periods. So automatically, why K4 is got populated over here? Because when we are copied the 1000 company code from the to our company code, 1000 company code is having a K4 fiscal year variant. Normally in Australian means like a calendar, their starting year is the from the July to June, right? I am correct, right? Joshi, you can tell this starting starting period will be the July to June, right?
Yes.
July will be the start and June will be the end. So they can use in that case. Let come down. Yeah. So July to June. Hold on second. PS not. This is some other person has been created this one. This is not a standard one.
Okay.
I'll tell you the standard one. Yes, V6. V6 is the standard one. July to June, which we can use it. Okay. In real time, when the Australian clients, Australian companies, they are using this SAP system, they are using this fiscal year variant. July will be the first period, June will be the 12th number of period. Okay, but by default we have to use this K4. We can change later on. We will discuss on that. Okay. Just I have understood you. Just after entering these all parameters, just click save. After entering this all parameters, stay on, and you can observe these options are available over here in left side. Double click on assignment of company code. What is the meaning of that? You are going to assign this controlling area to this company code. Okay. Double click on this, click new entries, enter your company code. What is company code? CG00 only. After entering this company code, just make it save. Data was saved. Then double click on activate components control indicator. Just go to new entries. Just enter the fiscal year, which year you are working, 2019, press enter. You have to activate all those components as a not active, just make it as an active. Just select all the checkboxes which is available over here. Real time, if a controlling consultant will do this configuration, just don't fear about this, what are all these checkboxes, it will happen, everything. Okay, we are not going to touch in real time this configuration. After entering this all, just make it save. Data was saved. So after completion of this enterprise structure definition and an assignment part has been completed, we are going to check the organizational hierarchy structure. So I'm going to create another session with this application, with this functionality, create another session. Other page has been opened. So go to EC01 transaction code. EC01 transaction code. In EC01, click structure, click navigation, then click continue. Okay. Then click find option. One is find option is there here. Find. Enter your company code. Okay. Look this. This Cognizant Private Limited is getting corporate. Double click on it. Look this. Here you can double click. This is a company hierarchy structure. This is our company code. Company and company code is linked. This is your assignment. Controlling area is linked with company code. This is your controlling area. This is your company code. Right? Just come down. Ignore this credit control area while copying this company code 1000 from 1000 to any company code. This credit control area will get copied. This is our plant. Each plant is having a 3 number of storage location 1000, 2000, 3000. This is our CG01 is a plant. Okay, plant is linked with company code. Plant is linked with purchasing organization as well, right? Purchasing organization is linked with company code. Purchasing organization is linked with plant. So those things. CG02 is having a also 3 number of storage locations. You can observe from this hierarchy structure what are the all those things available, which particular purchasing organization, how many storage locations they have, how many company codes they have, everything you can find it from here. This is called business or company hierarchy, organizational hierarchy structure. Till now, if you have any questions, Joshi, you can ask me right now.
You can't modify entries here.
From here.
Yeah.
No, from here is not possible to modify it. You can just for the display purpose, you are just observing what are the company's hierarchy structures are available for this company.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, if you want to modify, then you have to go to the configurations. From which configuration you have defined all those things.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
So the most of the configuration.
Sorry, come again.
Most of the configuration.
So your voice is getting actually some little bit far from the mic.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
No. Actually, can you come again? Little bit loudly. Can you tell me?
Okay, so I'm a bit staying.
Yeah. So what happened? You are asking about the some configuration, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Tell me what configuration.
The
Sorry.
configuration. All the configuration has been finished.
No. This is the initial configuration, Joshi.
Okay.
Which I told you as per the requirement. So we are not implemented this SD. We are not implemented this logistic execution. So why? Why the reason is when we are coming to this STO part, I'll tell you. I'll show you my syllabus. This called stock transfer process, subcontracting with the delivery process. Then where is the third party process? Third party process. These are related to sales and distribution module integrated. So in that case, you have to implement this one and implement this one. Okay, this is the normal configuration which I told you. Means if I'm going to calculate how many percentage configuration which I have done right now, only 2%.
Okay.
Is MM module is 100%, is a 2% configuration. Okay. Okay. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm just marking this as a complete. Okay.
Yeah.
Enter the structure. Then